My measurement out there is 49. I need it at 48. So I can put a half pallet in here. This will be the top of this doorway. That'll work. 47. I can squeeze a half pallet in there and make the top of this doorway, cut this off. Then I'll have something to put this gable in, something to rest it on. So that's the plan for today. Make this gable in.
It is, what time is it? 8 a.m. It's already hotter than heck out here. Today's heat index, I think they said, was 106 to 108. The temperature will be like 92, I think. But heat index means the way your body perceives it with the humidity added. So it'll be the equivalency of 106 to 8. So we're under a heat advisory. They say to stay inside.
I'm inside. I'm inside and she's outside, so it's a lot hotter out there.
Uh-huh.
With the heat index, it's only 98 in here, but it's 108 out there where she's got the camera because I'm inside.
Wonder what we use that for.
It's a lot smaller. You can make a dollhouse out of it. I'm gonna put this piece up here to form the top of this doorway. This will be the edge. It'll rest on there. That's going to carry weight, and this is going to be designed to carry the gable end. That's the gable end. We're going to need a gable end at the end of the chicken coop and the beginning of the chicken run. We'll put a gable end up there later. Okay. Now a 2x4 here, a couple of screws here, one on the ends, make that nice and solid so this will actually have something to carry a load on. And then I can have something to rest the gable on up top. Because you have, what's on the bottom has to support and carry the load of what is above it, or it's just going to crush it. So this and this is all about carrying the gable, which in turn supports the roof. So without that, your roof is going to collapse, and what's the point of building a building? Okay, there's one side, and I'll make the other side exactly the same way. Next video, we'll put this gable roof on, or gable end, whatever you want to call it. This piece of the roof will be done next video. Okay.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, watch the whole playlist, blah, blah, blah.